What's up, guys? Hello, hello, hello. How are we doing? What's up, Rainier? Wendy? What's good? Little review today, real quick. Shouldn't be that long. Want to talk to you guys a little bit, and then that's about it. Some of you probably know how to do this already. It might be nice with it. Christina? Most of you guys will probably be good with this. Little review, but it's just a little warm up. Hi, Mia. I'm watching Outer Bags. Let's go. How is it? What do you think, Tatiana? It's good, right? What's up, Noel? Hello there, matey. Lily, Jojo Juice. Give me a name. How do you guys like it? It's good, right? I don't steer you guys wrong. Everything I do and tell you guys is all for the greater good. So, what's up, Leah? What's up, Carlos? Thank you for joining. You see me, Tatiana? We good? Yeah, so shout out everyone who's watching Outer Banks. Does everyone see me? I can see myself. Thank you. Can you guys see me now? Wi-Fi is good. No, I can see them. Nice. All right, so let's get started. I want to go through a couple problems really quick. I think it's a little review before we get into ninth grade material. Ninth grade stuff will start on our next assignment, which will probably be Wednesday or Thursday. So I'm going to give you a few days to do this new Delta Math assignment, which is just multi-step equations. It should be a review for most of you. I'll do a couple problems with you guys right now, do 2 or 3, and then we'll just have a little quick conversation about the remainder of the year. All right? All right, so bam, let's get to it. So we got multi-step equations. Now you guys should all remember this, okay? So we got variables on both sides. So remember what we do there. You always want to bring variables to one side. So you always do inverse operations like we've learned, okay? You always want to get, I got the constants by itself here. Now, since I have x alone here, you want to move the 11 to the other side because you want variables on one side, constants on the other. That's why I brought the variables to the same side. So I subtract 11 here, okay, and get negative 14 equals 2x. Final step, divide by 2. And when you divide a negative and a positive, you always get a negative. Okay? Quick little review. That's right, Rainier. Quick little review of this. This is multi-step. This is exactly what the assignment is like for the Delta Math, okay? So that's why I just want to do a couple questions with you guys, and then we'll just have a quick little chit-chat about what's going on. So that's a very basic multi-step problem. I want to do another one. So now I have same type of deal. Now I have negative x. Now if you remember, when x is just by itself, what number is always correlated with it? 1, right? There's always that invisible 1 there. You need to know that. You're never going to see it, especially in ninth grade when we get into higher math. It's always just going to be X, and there was always a 1 there. So same type of deal. If you guys like to do this, do it. Separates the problem for you. Now we go, okay, I got variables on both sides. So what do I need to do? I need to move my variables to one side. I always like to move the variable that will always make it a positive over here. Sometimes you can't do that, but you can. So what's the inverse of negative x? Positive x. Positive x. Whatever you do to one side, obviously do the other. This cancels. Bring down the 6. 2x plus an x is a total of 3x. Bring down the 12. Now, since my variables is here, guys, what do I need to do? I'm going to move the 12 over here. So in order to move the 12 over here, I have to subtract it because that's inverse operations, right? Cancels over there. Bring down the 3x. And then 6 minus 12, be careful here, is negative 6, okay? Final step, divide both sides by 3 because this is multiplication, so the inverse of multiplication is division. And when you divide negative 6 divided by 3, you're going to get negative 2. Okay? That's it. So just a real quick review about multi-step equations. Your Delta Math assignment is called Basic Equations Multi-Step, so that's the newest assignment that should be up there. So before I kind of done with just going over a couple, do you guys want me to do one more, or are you guys pretty good with this? You guys are comfortable with going ahead and finishing Delta Math assignment this week? Do you guys want me to do another one, or are you good to go? Rainier says, got it. Thank you for responding, Rainier. Everyone else that's still watching, you guys go with multi-step. It's something we've done in class already before this. So I figured I do a couple just to refresh memory. And you guys can go ahead and do those Delta Math. That Delta Math assignment is called Basic Equations, okay? That's what's for homework this week. All right, I'll do one more. And then we'll chit-chat. All right, so let's pick some number. Let's do 5x plus, I don't know, 7. Equals 10x plus 3. Now from here, really quick, we'll go through this very quick again. Variables on both sides. So I want to move the 5x over by doing opposite. So it's negative 5. It goes underneath the 10x because those are the similar like terms, right? They both have an x. That's why it doesn't go with the 3. Cancels here. Bring down to minus 7. 10x minus 5x here is 5x plus 3. Now, since this is by itself over here and there's nothing over here, you have constants on opposite sides. So now you want to leave this guy by himself, move the 3 over by subtracting it. Now 5x equals negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10. Be careful there. Final step to get x by itself, you have to divide both sides by 5. Negative 2. Again, wow, I just made this up and got the same exact answer as last time. So Kevin, Josiah. Yo, Josiah, good thing you're here right now. Dude, you got to sign up for Delta Math and get those assignments done or your grades going to slip down the tube. It's an easy quarter to get 100 and make an overall final grade for my class go skyrocket. Got it, Josiah? Delta Math, sign up. Make sure you get those assignments done. What the code? So Josiah, on my YouTube channel, so that was that last problem. Josiah, on my YouTube channel, you're going to – oh, man, my code. Guys, what's my code to Delta? So could someone write the code to the Google Classroom, and then I will upload the video of how to get on Delta Math. Someone have the code for my Google Classroom on handy? All right, my Google Classroom code is Josiah 7i dry I. I'm typing it in for you, Josiah. 7I dry Y. All right. And then Josiah, when you go on there, there will be a video, or go on my YouTube channel. It says Delta Math How To. Look for that video, and that video will tell you exactly how to log onto Delta Math. All right, Josiah. So make sure you look at my YouTube video. Look for Delta Math How To. Click that, make an account for Delta Math, and then the assignments. There's 4 assignments that you need to complete. All right. Once you see, you'll see all 400s in Power School. All right. So, guys, unfortunately, they canceled the rest of the school year. It's very sad. Something I didn't see coming. I really thought we'd be able to go back, but unfortunately, it's just not safe. Even if we could go back, it would have been for like maybe a week or 2. So I guess they're saying like, what's the even point of getting this there all together? So stinks. Super upset. Definitely would love to have seen you guys again. We definitely gonna be able to see each other before next year. Maybe at some point we can meet up. But with that being said, you still have to finish out this year by doing what we're doing online. So guys, we've been doing pretty good. I know. Sad, Renee. First period, man. I loved it. I love the energy. But we're going to continue doing what we've been doing in here for the past 2 months. So we've been doing pretty well with it, and we're just going to keep going. The only difference is the math is that the math we will gear more towards 9th grade to get you ready. Like I told everyone last time here, I talked to my brother and he told me like to get them ready for 9th grade. He gave me a bunch of things to do with you. That's why I'm starting with basic equations. Then I'm going to lead more into kind of 9th grade equations, which you're going to notice is very similar to what we've been doing. So I want to get you guys really good with these, and then polynomials, my brother said to do, which is a new concept, but we'll do it together. I'll go live. I'll explain it to you guys so that when you get into 9th grade next year, the first few months of school, that's all my brother says it is. You guys will be comfortable and good to go, all right? So that's kind of the deal. We're going to keep doing what we're doing, guys. I'm only going to really post maybe 2 to 3 times max. Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, so someone, who is that? Similar to what I've learned this year. So whoever that is, I mean, yeah, that's what like the majority of 9th grade is. It kind of repeats itself even on different concepts, but it's kind of all falls back to those 2 main things. So that's what I'm going to try to focus you guys on, give you guys a little head start, hopefully help you guys out. Grading wise, Delta Math is where the grades are going to be coming from into Power School. So make sure you're with Delta Math doing those assignments. Don't fall behind. You're just going to hurt yourself in the long run, guys. All right. You got to be super disciplined. You got to make sure you're here. I'm here to help you. So I want you guys to be doing the same thing, just like if we were in school. I think the lives help. I'll keep doing that. I'll keep posting to my YouTube channel. 202 subscribers, guys. Let's go. Come on. Let's keep getting that count up. All right. Maybe we'll be famous on YouTube. Who knows? So, yeah, that's kind of where we're at. I think it's going to work out. It's going to be fine. It's a small blip in the grand scheme of things of school and life. So it's just something new. All right. Something we're going to get through. We're going to do it together. I'm here for you guys. If you guys reach out to me, you know I get back to you guys super quick. So please keep reaching out to me through Remind, through Google Classroom, through YouTube, anything that I can help you guys with. I'll do my best with that. All right. So any questions before we talk about some other good stuff? Any questions about anything of what I was just explaining to you guys? Yeah, Leah, you're new to the channel, but yeah, we're at like 202 subscribers right now. Are you kidding? Let's go. No big deal. Don't worry, my OG followers, your shirts, I will get them to you somehow. Somehow, some way. You guys are eventually gonna have to go back into school to clear out your lockers and stuff. So when that happens, I will leave them with Matera. 1 mil. Yo, could you imagine? Be sweet. That's the goal, Rainier. So Rainier, Tatiana, Outer Banks. What do you guys think? Pretty good, right? I told you. And where's Tatiana? She's still sleeping, and everyone else in here. A recommendation for Netflix: just watch Outer Banks. Great show. Great little 10 episodes to binge if you're bored. All right. But that I want a shirt. All right, Leah. Leah, start every time I go live. Tune in, and we'll see what we can do. We'll get you a shirt. Yeah. So basically, it was sad news, but we're gonna keep doing what we're doing here. We'll be fine. You guys will do great. People that do their work get the hundreds on Power School. It's gonna make that overall grade skyrocket. I promise you that, because if you're doing your work, you will be getting a full 100 for the fourth quarter, which is going to bump up every other quarter grade. And you're going to, it's going to be really beneficial. You guys will be happy with that. So just do that. You guys will be good to go. Good to go. Any other questions? Anything else I should know about? It was a beautiful weekend. Everyone get outside. I was outside all weekend. Being safe. Obviously went on the boat, did some surfing. The waves were so good this weekend. Friday, Saturday, they were epic. Surfed all day on Saturday. So that was pretty good. You guys hanging in there? Doing well? Keeping busy? A lot of people are doing the math work. The new assignment's pretty easy. Some people already did it, which is awesome. So keep that up. Make sure you get it done. Josiah, if you're still there, get that work done. Go watch Outer Banks. Noel, go watch it. Mia, if you haven't watched it, definitely good one. Carlos, good one. Wendy. East End. That's right, Christina. I saw that. Hey, Josiah's still there, my guy. Yeah, Christina out in Montauk. That's awesome. Good place to go. Chased by a dog. I moved to my attic. Nice. Is that why you were redoing it in there? That's pretty sweet. I used to live when I lived with my parents, I was in the basement. Loved it though. East End, nice. I love it out there, Christina. It's so nice. I used to go to Montauk all the time. Good surfing out there, and good fishing. Really good fishing. It's like globally known. Josiah, what have you been doing? Anything? Clearly, you're not doing my math work, which you better start doing. Tatiana's probably sleeping on me again. What up, B-Dog? Yeah. I don't got much more for you guys. It's Monday. Playing basketball. Yeah, you definitely need to practice. Nice, Josiah. So now maybe you have all this time to practice. So when we square up 1-on-1, I wouldn't embarrass you that bad like I was going to this June when we played. But now you got extra time to practice. Yeah, I've been doing TikToks too. I've been getting pretty good at them. Yo, man, as soon as this distancing thing is over, we're going 1-on-1. You need to practice, so that's good. I said we were going to do it in June when we had that big game, but this nonsense Corona started, so kind of like in a little rut now. But as soon as it's over and we're allowed to get back together, I'll show up to the school, or I'll come show up to CI. and we'll settle it. I mean, you know who's going to come out on top. Right here. Tick tock. Yeah. That's basically it. We're going to make it work. We're going to do well. We're going to get through it. It's going to be great. Hopefully, I don't know, somehow be able to like, swing by the school when you guys pick up your stuff and say that. What's my TikTok? I don't got one yet. We'll see. We'll get one soon. Cooking recipes. Nice. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of cooking. I've been trying. I just started trying to cook some more sweets. I've been doing a lot of chicken and stuff like that. I did start doing some more sweet stuff. Yeah, once I go fishing, I'll do some fishing recipes. But yeah, anything to keep busy, do. Remember, stay safe. If we're all good here, guys, I'm probably going to go live on Wednesday. So set calendars for Wednesday because we'll start some little more difficult equations. They're really not that bad. So I'll go live probably get on Wednesday to show you like kind of the 9th grade stuff, a little intro to it. Or I'll just might make a YouTube video and post it. Still undecided yet. I'll let you guys know, obviously. But if we're all good here, if you have any more questions, please let me know right now. If not, guys, thank you for tuning in. What time? I don't know. We'll figure. Josiah, I'll let you know. I'll text Remind and Google Classroom to let you guys know. But this seems like a good time for everyone. So if we do go live again, we'll be again at 7 because it seems like I get a lot more people showing up. So that's fine with me. But if I post a video, Josiah, I'll just let you know, and you go on my YouTube channel and just watch the video of me teaching you the lesson. But I'll let you guys know tomorrow or Wednesday when the time comes. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Quick little assignment here, little review for you. Make sure you go do that Delta Math assignment, catch up on the so far now four assignments that are up there. I'll be fair, not post an assignment every day. Just make sure you get the assignments I do post. Get it done. It'll show up on PowerSchool. Remember, subscribe, comment, like, give this video a thumbs up. If people aren't here, Josiah, text some people up for me. Christina, you know the deal. Hit up some people. Let them know that I go live. Tell them to subscribe. Get the work done, all right? I'm Mr. Cornell. We together make the math fam, guys. I do appreciate everyone coming out tonight. And I know, Vernier, I try to be the best. We're going to be the best. When you think positive, you are positive. You are the best. That's why I am the #1 math teacher alive, and I will always stand. I will see you guys hopefully very soon. We'll figure out a time and place. But until then, I'll see you guys later. Have a good night. Peace.